What's up guys, my name's Liam and today we're going to be bringing you just a really quick video highlighting a lot of these Prime Day deals that I've been seeing for you guys. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. We got a lot of stuff to go over. First off, looks like we already have a sale on this Sony InZone mouse. I've been getting tons of requests to review this mouse. It is something that I'm still working on, so hopefully I will be able to get this to you soon. Before we go any further, I want to let you know links for all of these will be down in the description below, and I'll probably be missing a lot of stuff as usual, so I will update that list as I move along. Next up, we have the Asus ROG Harp Ace Mini. Without question, one of my favorite gaming mice. A really solid sale on this, 54% off. Also, if you do like the original Harp Ace, or a bigger size version, excuse me, this one is also on sale. Quite a bit of a big discount there. So I will be reviewing the brand new ROG Harp Ace 2 here in the very near future. Looks like no sale over here on the Harp Ace Extreme. Another mouse that I absolutely love here, the Razer Death Adder V3 Hyperspeed. This mouse is a little bit smaller than the V3 Pro or even the V4 Pro. I myself prefer this smaller size a bit more, and honestly, I just really like this mouse a lot. The R5 Ultra 8K carbon fiber wireless mouse, something that I have reviewed on my channel. That is 32% off. Next up, an oldie, but kind of a classic when it comes to the budget scene, the VGN F1 Dragonfly. Really like this mouse a lot. You can get it for a pretty good deal right there. Just do this one here. I did review this on my channel, not necessarily my favorite mouse, but the Alien style of a mouse here. Go check that out if you were interested in doing so. Another one that I feel like is pretty big, the Arbiter Akitsu 8K carbon fiber. This is a lightweight gaming mouse. You can also go and check this out on my channel for the full review. And as typical, you do get a lot of these Pulsar gaming mice that are on sale, and I believe there's a couple different ones here. Unfortunately, some of my favorite, which is the X2 Crazy Light, doesn't look like, oh, well, maybe that is on sale. I didn't even notice that. I thought I looked up a different one and I wasn't seeing on sale. Maybe it was the X2H Crazy Light. Yeah, it looks like that one's not on sale since it just came out, and okay, that's what it looks like it is. That is the black copy, not on sale, but if you are interested in picking up this green copy, can get a little bit of a discount there, something that I highly do recommend for you guys. Another mouse that I did review on my channel, the M3 at 47 grams, 8K polling rate. Actually a pretty good mouse, good shape for the price that that's coming in at. Another one of my favorites is this Attack Shark R6 Pro. I actually really do enjoy this mouse a lot. Assuming it's still being made the same, mine did have the on-run opticals in it. Really like this shape a lot. You can also go check out that review on my channel. And as typical, the Darmo Shark mice, looks like they're on sale. Get the M2 here at a discount rate, the M5, which is a really popular one. And I believe that all the rest of these are also going to be on sale here. So you can go and check any of those out if you're interested. Another one, the Attack Shark R3 Magnesium gaming mouse. Honestly, Attack Shark has made some pretty good ones recently. One that I never actually got a review on my channel, the Xtrify M8, but is a pretty low price there, coming in at $31.99 if you want to check it out. Another one that I just recently reviewed on my channel, the Attack Shark X8 Ultra, coming in at $50. I honestly feel like this mouse is still 8,000 hertz polling rate, and the build on my unit, pretty solid mouse overall to go and check out if you like the G Pro super light shape. The Darrow A950 Wing. This is another one, very lightweight mouse, coming in around 35 grams, I believe. Yes, it is. So a little bit iffy on the build quality, very flexible, but if you're looking at checking out a lightweight mouse, $51, honestly a pretty good deal there for that mouse. Shockingly, one that I just reviewed on my channel, the Attack Shark R11 Ultra 8K carbon fiber wireless gaming mouse, and it looks like there's an additional 20% off. Oh, I'm not logged into my account there to kind of hide that, but I'm not sure if you can get an extra 20% off there or not. So definitely something we're checking out. That might actually be a pretty smoking deal if that does add an additional discount. The Mchos gaming mice, really promising. They do have a couple of different versions on here, and looks like all the versions that they do have on here are also on sale. I always recommend getting something like the Ultra. It usually has the highest specs on it. I did go over this one on my channel as well. Here is a mouse that is crazy that it's on sale. I haven't even got my hands on this yet. I was supposed to get this a long time ago. It ended up getting delayed, so I do apologize. It's been taking me forever to bring this review to you guys. But this is actually really surprising that the brand new M5 Air Mini is on here and it's also at a pretty big discount, 20% off. I can't speak for the build on or anything like that, but this is actually one of the mice that I am the most excited to get my hands on. And then you can pick up any of these other mice if you're interested in checking these out, also at a discount as well. Right here, the Ajaz AM3 Max. This is kind of a weird mouse. Not too bad. You could pick it up for a discount if it is something that's caught your eye. I think the thing I didn't like about it was the hole on the top, and then also the holes on the side. But the build on that one was actually pretty good. Here is just an absolute banger, in my opinion, the Endgame Gear XM2W4K. Though this is the first version, they have come out with a newer version. Still almost just about as good as a 3395 sensor. The build on them, not really that far apart from one another, but definitely a great mouse to come and snag at a pretty good price considering the fact that these normally go for $120. Highly recommend that one. The Mcho's L7. The L7 Ultra is the one that I do recommend. I do believe that the Plus, if I remember correctly, came with a bigger battery. So if you're looking to get the lightest weight version of it, I do believe this is the one you want to check out here, the L7 Ultra. I would double check that on the website. Sorry I didn't have a chance to go over that, but 20% off discount here, coming in at $47. Pretty solid deal there. The Darrow A950 Pro 4K. This is actually an older mouse, but this was one that I actually did like. My build quality on this unit was actually pretty good. Their new mice haven't had that good of build quality, but this one was pretty solid for me, and I did really like the shape a lot. Another one is very popular, the Attack Shark X3 Pro. This is the 4K or 8K version. This is pretty similar to a Razer Viper Mini type of a shape. I did want to talk about some of these keyboards, and there's some really solid Rapid Trigger keyboards on here that I honestly really enjoy a lot. Honestly, anything that I've got from Melgeek has been really solid. So I'll probably pull up a couple ones here, but you can just look for other types of Melgeek keyboards, and they have honestly made really solid stuff. Some of my favorite gaming keyboards out there. Another one that was incredibly popular, the Newfie Halo 65HE, coming in at a 20% off discount. Next up, one of my favorite keyboards in recent times, the Chillkey Slice 75HE. This is a discount price, but to be honest with you, when this thing first did launch, it was about $150 due to tariffs or whatever the reasons were. They ended up raising the price up. So honestly, just kind of come back down to where it originally started out, but I do still feel like this price is actually a really good deal. And oh, I just realized this actually does come with the WS Flux switches in it, which I actually really do enjoy a lot. So actually, this is a really solid deal for the WS Flux switch. So definitely highly recommend checking that one out. Another one, Newfie. Newfie makes really great stuff. The XBH65. This is one I never got a review on my channel. It's supposed to get sent out. I don't know whatever happened to it, but again, just about everything that I've tested out from Newfie has been really good. This is a all aluminum keyboard here. So really solid stuff. You also do have some low profile Hall effect keyboards. We have the Melgeek Made 68 Air. The low profile keyboards aren't necessarily for me. These are definitely some really good performing ones. And I've never yet reviewed a Razer keyboard on my channel. That should be changing here in the near future. But just want to point out that you can get something like the Huntsman 60% or even the Huntsman V3 Pro TKL here at a discount rate as well. I did review this on my channel, the Gravstar Mercury V75 Hall Effect Magnetic Gaming Keyboard. Honestly, a really good keyboard. I do like their keyboards more than I have been liking their mice, to be completely honest with you guys. Some more Mcho's deals, the Jet 75. A lot of these Mcho's keyboards are really popular, and you can get them at a really low price. So I think they have some other versions on here as well. If you were to go ahead and just put in Mcho's here in the description. And again, I'll go ahead and put links down for these below. But it looks like they do also have the 68, A68 on here as well for $39.99. So if you are looking to get a smaller form factor, also looks like the Ace 60 Pro available at a discount rate as well. Next up, probably my favorite keyboard, well, at least one of my favorite keyboards. I'd put this probably in my top three, the Iconix EZ80 Hall Effect keyboard. I don't know what it is. I just absolutely love everything about this thing, the feeling of it, the performance of it. Really solid keyboard. Iconix makes some of my favorite gaming keyboards of all time. Next up, again, Melgeek, the Made 68 Ultra. Out of all the Melgeek keyboards, this one, without question, is my favorite, this Ultra variant. So I just absolutely love these keyboards a lot. You can also pick it up in a couple of different colorways. I do have the red colorway here as well myself. And then finally, we'll end this off by talking about some mouse pads. I just love these new SteelSeries mouse pads. I think that they're absolutely fantastic. I do wish that they made them in 500 by 500. You can go check out the review on my channel. It looks like you can get these. They got the speed and the balance one. Oh, it looks like the balance is not on sale. But the speed one, honestly, this is a really solid speed pad. I've been liking it a lot. Looks like they're giving away a 20% discount off of that one. Next up, the brand new Pulsar Superglide V2, though I never got a chance to review this on my channel. This is at a 20% off discount price. Also, the Asus ROG Moonstone glass pad. So it looks like we got some pretty good sales on some glass pads here. And then also we do have the SkyPad, or excuse me, the Wallhack mouse pads, the SY001 and the MO. I've heard great things about these mouse pads, even though I never got a chance to review them. Maybe in the future, if I get some time, I'll definitely still go and check them out. And then last but not least, let's go and end it here so this doesn't stretch out too long. You can get discounts on things like the Wallhack gaming arm sleeves. And if you were to put this in the search, they do have a bunch of different variants in here as well. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I look forward to bringing you another video here very soon.